Lecture 14. The topic is computer based agriculture models. Okay, so first we will see what is the meaning of model. Model means it is a representation of system. Okay, the system can be a living or non-living. Okay, so if you represent a living system or a non-living system, then it is called as model. Okay, so we can represent either by using physically or mathematically. Okay, so physical model means such as diagram and charts. Okay, so they are called physical models. And mathematical model means equations, formula. Okay, that is we are representing a system. We are representing a system in mathematical way. Okay, that is called mathematical model. Okay, so a model, we can represent a model either physically or mathematically. Okay, an example of mathematical model. See, for example, suppose a person is seeing top of a tower at an angle of 45 degree. Okay, and he is at a distance of 25 meter away from a tower. Okay, suppose he wants to find height of a tower. Okay, so this is a problem. Okay, so in this problem, a person is seeing a top of tree, sorry, a top of tower. Okay, at an angle 45 degree. Okay, so he is at a distance of 20 meter away from a tower. Okay, so he wants to find the height of tower. Okay, so to find the height of tower, we are using a mathematical model. Okay, see, in this problem we are using the triangular concept for solving this problem. Okay, so here we are taking tan theta. Okay, so tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Okay, the opposite side is nothing but the height of the tower. Okay, and the adjacent side is nothing but the distance of a person between the tower and the person. Okay, so the opposite side is the height of a tower. Okay, and the adjacent side is the distance from the tower to a person. Okay, that is 25 meter. Okay, so if you use that formula tan theta, you will get height by 25. Okay, so now the height became 25 tan theta. Okay, so the theta is angle and the h is the height. Okay, so by using this equation we can find the height of a tower. Okay, that is this problem is a situation. Okay, so we are converting the situation into a mathematical form. Okay, to solve a problem. Okay, that is to find the height of tower. Okay, so this is an example of mathematical model. Okay, we are converting a system or a situation into a mathematical form. And this is modeling. Okay, modeling means it is the process of representing its model. Okay, which includes its construction and working. Okay, in simple terms, it is an act of building a mathematical model. Okay, so model means it is a representation of system. Okay, and modeling means it is the process of building a model. Okay, that is modeling. Okay, then what is the purpose of this modeling? It helps the analyst to predict and study the effect of change to the system. Okay, by using modeling we can study the effect of change to the system. Okay, and we can also predict the changes with the help of model. See, for example, we will see one example. Suppose the relationship between the fertilizer and yield of a wheat is modeled as y is equal to 20 plus 2x. Okay, so this one is a linear model. Okay, so in this model, x, the variable x is a fertilizer and the variable y is yield. Okay, so with the help of this model one can find the yield of wheat at certain quantity of fertilizer and the effect of change in yield on increasing 1 kg of fertilizer. Okay, and with the help of this model one can predict the yield of fertilizer, yield of wheat. Okay, so this is a model. Okay, with the help of this model we can study the effect of change. Okay, of with the help of this model we can study the effect of change of variable. Okay, on another variable. Okay, so modeling helps the analyst to predict and study the effect of change to the system. Okay,